All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. So today I am here in the city of Henderson, beautiful master plan community of Inspirada. We have an open house today, even though it's raining. Must go on, that's right. So Inspirada actually has phase one, phase two. So we're gonna take a look at phase two. This home right here was actually built in 2021. And this is actually by TriPoint. And TriPoint, this builder here is a very popular builder when it comes to more of that modern style home. But let me take off my shoes for a second so that way we can go inside. Whew. All right, so we have the courtyard here, which is really nice. Then this is more of an open floor plan, as you can see. We have the pool here that has been installed a few years ago. We also have a suite, guest, bathroom here, upstairs. We've got 3 bedrooms, balcony, 2 balconies, and a loft, but we're gonna start here in the front. So as we come in, first thing is we have the 18 by 18 porcelain tile. The wall here is all orange peel texture with the straight edge cornering and the 5.5 inch baseboards, 3 inch casing, 6/8 on the door. The door panels here have been upgraded to a solid core door and all the brushed nickel. So the bedroom down here, this suite, okay, we have 4 can lighting, so that was an upgrade, plus with the ceiling fan here. Now the home is roughly about 3,000 square feet, okay? So this one has a 3/4 bath. Cladded the tile, the 12 by 12. We have Delta fixtures. We've got the Petrofina countertop, undermounted sink. Here we also have the Cat 5 as well. And in this bedroom, we have the transfer duct, which is great. I'm gonna open up this courtyard here. This is really nice. This is an 8x8 slide. So just imagine just putting a pool table here. You have the option for the ceiling fan. It's already pre-wired. Put a foosball table, whatever you want to do here. This actually wraps around to the pool in the back. But what I like about this is every position of this house, wherever you stand, it just really makes you feel like you're definitely like outside, okay? We have a 12-foot stackable slide, 8 feet tall. Then we have another 8x8 over there. As you can see, we got Charles right here just doing the open house. Ceilings are 9-foot ceilings. They also upgraded the can lighting too as well. That was one of the options during the build. But like I said, no matter where you are at in this home, everything just feels open. Makes me feel like I'm actually outside. So let me give you a better perspective here. We actually had these open a little bit earlier, but it's starting to get a little bit cold. The slides glide very well. So I mean, you open this up, it really just feels like, you know, you have that indoor-outdoor living. But we'll get into the pool here in just a second. We have a nice center island here. This is going to be the 5x9 on this one. Dual basin undermounted sink. Then we had the upgrade for the push garbage disposal. We have GE appliances, 36-inch cook countertops, 42 upper cabinets, finished off with the modern 3-inch crown. And then we also have the hood as well. So if you guys want to know, you know, when you guys go into a property, if the home is actually a TriPoint home, TriPoint is the only one that does the outlets linear here in the kitchen. We have a 36 cubic inch refrigerator. We have ample storage, cabinets, okay? Also the pantry is here in the back. Now the owners, you can see they took really good care of the home. And we also have some pull-outs as well, so that was a upgrade during the time of the build. We've got the microwave, and let's take a look. As you can see how clean the oven is. Here is the two-car garage, but look at the pantry. Decent sized pantry. I love the fact that the pantry is in the back of the kitchen here. Now this is a two-car garage, but this is the plus on the two-car garage, right? You have about a 3.5 foot span on this side, 3.5 foot span on this side, 9 foot ceilings here on the garage, okay? So you can literally fit two cars, but if you take a look how deep this garage is. So I think the garage is roughly about 600 square feet. And also we have a window here that brings in a lot of light. Now, another thing is that I do want to mention there is another gate. So if you have guests, they can come through the back and directly through the pool. So I'll show you that in just a minute. And I forgot to mention the soft water system as well. So right back here, we have storage underneath the staircase, and then we have our guest bathroom. All right, let's make our way upstairs. One of the options here was to upgrade the banisters. Wide staircase. And as we come up, as you can see, we are here in the loft area. Now, if you guys want more information about this property, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. Ceiling fans have been upgraded. All the can lighting, that was an additional upgrade too as well. If we head back down here, we have the primary, then the 2 bedrooms here, bathroom, and then the laundry room. So this is one of the bedrooms up in the front. 4 can lighting and also the ceiling fan, transfer duct. These homes are well built. Here, laundry room, front, we have the top load, then also the gas dryer, drain pan as well. Here is the option to build out. So we have the drain line. So if you want to put a sink, that is definitely an option. And then we have ample storage. I think this room is the best room right here. What I like about this is that you do have a window that overlooks your pool. Strip is down this way here. They have a total of 5 can lighting and plus the ceiling fan. But what I like about this is we also have a balcony right off of this room. And I'm not going to go outside because I don't have my shoes, but you can clearly see how large this is. Beautiful neighborhood. Now, if you have kids, okay, you definitely might want to check out the school zones here. A lot of families end up moving out here because of their kids. This community has so much to offer. So Inspirada has like parks, right? They have tons of like different pools that you can go to. Baseball field. So like I think like every Tuesday nights or Thursday, I forget what it was. This toilet heats up right here. It was just kind of cool. All the kids would get together and they actually have like movie night. And I thought that was really cool. But if you're looking for like a family oriented neighborhood, this is definitely it right here. This is the type of community where I guess they say like soccer moms So as we come into the primary, you got 8-foot doors here. Off to the right, we're gonna have our walk-in closet. Very deep, large walk-in closet. Then we're gonna flip this around, and as you can see, the bathroom. So we have his and hers. Then we have the floating mirror here with the LED lights. And what I like about this is, again, they added a lot of lighting here. And that was a option upgrade. Here we have the 12 by 12 on the tile. Rainfall shower head too as well. HOAs here are going to run you a total of $79 a month. That's right, 79 bucks a month. Again, if you guys want the measurements, I have a link in the description below. As you can see how large this primary is. Your half hot is going to be sitting right here. This one, they did the additional upgrades. Here we have a total of 6 can lighting, ceiling fan as well. But this is the cool part. You have this nice large balcony here. On a clear day, you'll definitely be able to see the mountains. You can see a little bit over here. Gorgeous neighborhood. All right, guys, let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property. Oh, I forgot to mention the current asking price on here is $950,000. You have the exact same properties in this neighborhood for selling for over $1 million, or they've got it listed for $1 million. This home is priced to sell, so if you guys are interested, okay, just feel free to reach on out to us. Also, some of these light switches are connected to a Bluetooth as well, which is nice. Matter of fact, you know what? We got to go outside. Let me grab my shoes. I'm going to just put this over here for just a second. You guys just hang out with me as I grab my shoes. All right, let's go take a look at this. So the owners of the property added the pool a few years ago, and also the cover here. Now, I'm not going to run outside into the rain. But I think this is pretty cool here, where you see that aluminum face right there? Imagine just adding one large screen for a projection and having your projector right here and watching the game at night. Beautiful lap pool. Then we have the jacuzzi or the spa. Right here we have this service door that takes us out in front of the 2-car garage, so there's also ample parking back there too as well. If you want to hook up your grill here, you have that option. So right up there was a primary. We didn't walk out because I didn't have my shoes, but you can literally see right over the pool, which is really nice. But again, I love the fact that no matter where you are at in the house, it really brings the outdoor, indoor, and the indoor back to the outdoor. I mean, just look how gorgeous this is. All right, guys, that is pretty much it for this video home tour. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And again, if you guys want more information about this property, I'm going to have a link in the description below. But most importantly, please let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property. Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed, folks. Peace. I just want to say thank you so much for scanning that QR code. That tells me that you're probably interested in selling your home, right? Now, look, if you're interested in selling your home, you'll probably want to interview a bunch of agents, including myself, and let me tell you why. If you don't know who I am, my name's Chuck, it's Cruisewat. I hang my license with Simply Vegas. I've been in the business now for about 16 years. I close over 100 million annually. We do about 130 transactions annually. Now, our company alone does about 2 billion in sales volume every single year. Why? Because we're the #1 brokerage. But what's most important here is it's all about how do we actually market your home. It's just like this video here. I was able to drive you to this video. You're watching this video right now, and I want to show you exactly how I can sell your home faster and for top dollar. Now, if you guys are interested, give me a call because I would like to set up an appointment for a free consultation. Let's take a look at your home. Let's see if we are the right fit. Other than that, can't wait to see you.